Hi and welcome to our new online course RFEM 6 tutorial with Rhino and Grasshopper. In this video I would like to guide you through this exciting new course presented by my colleague Abdulrazak. You will get an overview of the structure of the course and how to assess your level of knowledge after completing it. This tutorial consists of around 10 videos through which you will perform several examples of modeling in RFEM using Rhino and Grasshopper. Starting with a rather simple continuous beam, you will learn the basic functions which you will then apply to the more complex examples such as space trusses and membrane structures. To achieve the best learning effect, we recommend that you model alongside during the course. You can also pause the videos at any time and go through the individual steps again. The aim of our online course is that you gain basic knowledge in modeling with Rhino and Grasshopper in RFEM 6. If you don't have RFEM 6 yet, you can download the 90-day trial version from our website. And as always for students, the student version is for free. We hope that you will enjoy the course and have fun.